I'm Jim Quinlan, and we're here at my airplane factory in Marlton, New Jersey. I think it's a really great project. What I'm building is a two-seat airplane with retractable gear, and it will go 200 miles an hour when I get it built. I was just reading through my flying magazines, and I did see an article on this airplane, which is called the F-8L Falco, and I said, I can do that, or I think I can do that. I did have to expand my garage to do it because the airplane does have a 26-foot wingspan, and that's what forced me to go 4 feet forward and 4.5 feet to the side. Now, most people who are building home-built airplanes these days tend to build them out of composite materials, which is in effect plastic. Wood used to be more common than it is right now. Wood is actually a more forgiving material than the composites are. Wood is a very fixable thing. So if you do something wrong, you can correct it. The structure is Sitka spruce. It's very strong wood. And spruce is more or less the wooden equivalent of aluminum. And by that I mean it's lightweight but high strength. So that's why spruce is the only wood approved for aircraft construction. My original budget on this project was 6,000 hours and $100,000. Now I'm at 75,500 on the money and I'm at 5,800 on the construction. But like most construction projects, I'm going to allow for a 10% overrun. I honestly believe I will be done when the year 2020 gets here.